Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce the car media player Android system 8+32GB special for Kia Forte 2013 to 2016. Okay, you can check this box. Let me open the box. Show the harness. You can check the head unit. Okay. Please get it carefully. I have to because this is 10.1 so big. Okay, this is head unit. Okay, let me show this head unit, special head unit, 10.1 inch. Let me show the harness and the other parts. Okay. This is the install kit. Install bracket with a screw. This is power cable. Have USB. This camera input. AUX. Connector. Okay. Come with GPS antenna. And this is agents. Microphone, external microphone, audio cable. This is real. Let me check this video out 1, video out 2, and subwoofer. This is rear, left, right. And the front, left, right output. Okay. AUX in this video input. This camera input. 2 USB cable and the external microphone. Okay, let me show the head unit. Let me take out the plastic. You can check this driver agents. This is head units. You can check the side. On the back. Radio antenna. This is Wi-Fi antenna. GPS power cable. This is the connector. Okay. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, let me power pure voltage. Please take out this screen protector. Okay, it comes with this dangerous kit. You can cover it on this place. Okay, it's 10.1 inch. Special for Kia Forte. Okay, let me show this interface. And you can install wallpaper. Settings, can lower it. Set wallpaper, home screen. Okay, it's installed. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Sorry for mine. And you can check the about machine. It shows a PX5 Octa core, rack chip. Android version is 8.0. Oreo. Okay, you can change these button lights on the car elements. You can choose green. You can choose blue, orange, yellow. You can adjust this panel. Okay, any color you can adjust. Back to home. Okay, thank you.